Sorry about that last video. My phone got blown out my hand and shut off. But it is very, very, very windy. It is crazy out here. Back at the beach, you can see the waves starting to come up towards the boardwalk. Birds flying away. Beautiful sunset. But it is one mean Chesapeake Bay today. But everything is blowing around. I lost my hat. Done blew halfway down the beach. Trees blowing. Already some power outages around. And the winds are only supposed to get stronger tonight. 40 to 50 mile an hour winds with gusts to 60, possibly 70. Street signs bouncing around. Yeah. But it's crazy out here. Crazy. It's blowing me home. Yeah. I'm just getting smacked by damn pieces of shingle. Run across the street here before I get hit. Alrighty. Norfolk Library. Walk my way towards my vehicle. Hey. It's crazy out here. At least the pollens are gone. It was dirty as hell out here earlier today. But this is where I sign off. My lovely little car. But I'll talk to y'all later. Peace.